जो हम यूज़ करते ही आए हैं, उस वर्ड को अब हमें रिप्लेस कर देना है एक नए वर्ड से। जैसे कि आप टेस्टी, यम्मी यूज़ करते आ रहे हो, तो उसको चेंज कर दो डिलेक्टेबल में या फिर स्कम्पशियस में। Do you also want to expand your vocabulary but not getting what to do, what not to do to expand your vocabulary? Do you also feel stuck at a point and you don't consider yourself that you are growing and your English is improving even a bit? Then this video is only for you. In this particular video, I am going to tell you a particular way to become an advanced speaker as well as how to expand our vocabulary, and these two methods are interconnected. Yes friends, in this method we don't need to put lots of efforts. Despite putting lots of efforts, we can get or we can achieve an advanced level just by learning vocabularies. Or learning vocabularies, it's not so arduous, it is very easy for us. We just need to keep only one thing in your mind, that you need to always be ready to come out of your comfortable zone, and you have to take each and every method to do cautiously. You will have to put cautious efforts, and if you are the one who is ready for doing this, then this video must be helpful for you. Okay, without any further ado, let's get dive deep into this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati Ma'am. I should welcome you all on this YouTube channel, and in this very video I'm just going to tell you the simplest and unique way to expand your vocabulary as well as to become an advanced speaker. Now you must be wondering, I have watched several videos but I haven't found expanding vocabulary it's so easy. Then how can I say that expanding vocabulary or building a vocabulary it's so easy? But believe me friends, it is really very easy. Literally I'm saying that because I have been using this method to expand my vocabulary, and ever since I have kicked off this journey, or ever since I have started using this particular method, I found so many changes in the way I am speaking. We just need to work on everything actively. First thing that we are supposed to do, that each and every time when we are listening to any podcast, when we are listening to any videos, when we are watching any videos, we should try to be an active learner. We should try to be an active listener. Then only it would be possible for you. So what is new in this very video? Without wasting your time, I just want to tell you directly. You know, जैसा कि हम सभी को पता है कि एक वर्ड है स्टार्ट. हम हमेशा से स्टार्ट ही यूज़ करते हैं. वी ऑलवेज टेंड टू यूज़ ओनली स्टार्ट 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 स्टार्ट. ईच एंड एवरी टाइम व्हेन वी हैव टू से समथिंग दैट मैंने कुछ शुरू किया है या मैं कुछ शुरू करने वाला हूँ, देन वी ऑलवेज यूज स्टार्ट. And if you really want to sound advanced speaker, or you want to use a bit advanced vocabularies, then why don't you try some alternative ways? Or why don't you try to use some synonyms of start, like begin, initiate, embark, commence? On the other hand, let me give you an example of yummy. जब भी हमें अपने खाने की बड़ाई करनी होती है या किसी के खाने की बड़ाई करनी होती है, वी आर accustomed to use only, oh my god, the food is yummy, the food which I had last night, it was yummy, 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 that's it. You don't have any other word to use. Then how would you consider that you are going to be an advanced speaker without expanding your vocabulary? You just need to get only one word, and you have to go through all the synonyms, and you will have to put efforts only to use other synonyms while speaking. Like delicious, there are different ways, several ways to use it. Tasty, delicious, yummy, mouth-watering, appetizing, flavorful, okay, delectable, scrumptious. You can use which as per your convenience. I'm not forcing you to use all these words. No, I just want you to use, means you have to replace the word which you are accustomed to use, now you have to be a little bit uncomfortable, and you will have to start using the word which you are not used to do. Okay, which you are not used to do, used to use. uh Sad. There's a word sad. We always say sad, sad, sad. Now it's time to stop using it. Sad. We have to make a full stop using that word. Instead of that, instead of using sad, we can use gloomy, disheartened. Okay. We can use other ways. Happy. Instead of saying happy, use some alternatives. Delighted, glad, elated. There are several ways to say the basic word. We just need to change. Okay, we just need to bring the change. And in order to do that, we don't need to put lots of efforts. We don't need to learn lots of words. We already have words. हमें क्या करना है, हमें सिर्फ जो वर्ड हम बहुत लंबे टाइम से बीइंग अ बिगनर, ओके, और एज अ बिगनर जो हम यूज़ करते ही आए हैं, उस वर्ड को अब हमें रिप्लेस कर देना है एक नए वर्ड से. जैसे कि आप टेस्टी यमी यूज़ करते आ रहे हो, तो उसको चेंज कर दो डिलेक्टेबल में या फिर स्क्रम्शियस में. ओके, फिर फ्लेवरफुल में. अगर आप हैप्पी यूज़ कर रहे हो, ट्राई टू यूज़ ग्लैड, 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 डिलाइटेड. अगर आप सैड यूज़ कर रहे हो, तो इसको आप चेंज कर दो, डिसहार्टेंड यूज़ कर लो, ग्लूमी यूज़ कर लो. Okay, and this is the only thing that which you need to do, and you will be able to elevate your speaking. You will be able to become an advanced speaker. As we always say, when someone asks from us, how are you, we simply say, I am fine, I am fine, I am fine, I am fine. No, still you are using the same sentences or same words which a beginner uses. Being an intermediate speaker, you are supposed to use different ways. I am terrific. I am doing well. I am doing great. I am amazing. Why don't you use some alternatives? This is the only thing which you have to do, and you will be able to go on the another level. And I know that it's not quite arduous. Difficult, difficult का alternative arduous. So now you have come across a new method which can help you to elevate your speaking, to become an advanced speaker, as well as to learn lots of vocabulary without putting lots of efforts. And to be honest, all of us, we know all these words. Like if I say I am hungry, I can also use other things, other ways to say I am starving, I am famished. Why don't we use these words if we already know? I know that you know, but you are not putting yourself in an uncomfortable zone, or you just want to feel only easy peasy. You just want to make this journey easy peasy for you. It's okay. You want to feel, you want to feel like throughout the journey easy peasy. You don't want a journey full of hurdles and obstacles. But if you really want to get something out of it, then you will have to navigate through this. You will have to manage to learn everything, and you will have to accumulate all the knowledge. Then only you will be able to become an advanced speaker. And by using this method, you will be able to elevate or build a good vocabulary for you, which is really very crucial for you. As I said, crucial means I can say important, imperative, essential. Okay, different ways to say important, but I'm not using the same. This is the only thing that you have to use. You have to kick off your this journey. Don't always say start, start, start. Kick off, embark, initiate. You will have to beautify this language just by using some synonyms of the basic words. And then w- as as soon as you open your mouth, all the listeners would consider that, oh my god, how amazing that person is, and how what a what a good collection of words which he or she is using. If you also want to get these kind of compliments from others, then you're supposed to do this. You're supposed to put efforts, and you're supposed to use this particular method to elevate your level of speaking and to become an advanced speaker in order to build a great vocabulary. If you if you totally agree, if you totally agree with me, then I think you will definitely do this. And I'm sure, I'm 100% sure you will not uh, disappoint me, and right away you will kick off your journey. Right away means abhi ke abhi, now, right now, right away. This is the thing that you need to implement. You need to incorporate this method. Okay, and whatever I wanted to tell you, I have already told. We will meet in your next video with some great news, with some insight which I would love to impart. And you will have to leverage each and every information which I bring only for you. And we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.